This space was so cluttered, like I could not really walk in the room. There was just so much stuff. To see you guys come here and transform this whole room is just makes me so grateful for the work you guys do, and not so much clutter in the room, and just can actually use it as a space. I feel like I just have so much weight lifted off my shoulders. It just made it so easy just to know you guys were there in a non-judgmental way to support me to get my house back on track. I actually feel comfortable to invite family and friends over. I've realised that having so much physical clutter has caused so much mental clutter. I understand that when you declutter physical things, it helps with the mental space.